The most rewarding thing about being a mentor is really seeing that click when an intern comes into a wire company and it's like, okay, yeah, I'm employed for the summer, but then realizing that we really are here to make lives better and understanding that they can play a critical role in that.
When I started managing our internship program, I really wanted a more well-rounded experience for our interns. I really wanted to expand their thoughts of how an organization actually works together.
You can see them as a group. They learn collectively, they're doing case studies, they're doing real-life projects.
The tasks that our mentors here at Fort Wayne Metals give our summer interns are project-based. They're assigned an actual task to complete throughout the summer, and they're not just given busy work to keep them busy. They're not going and getting coffee for the mentor. They're actually doing work that will impact Fort Wayne Metals.
They're projects that make you feel important because they are important, and you're valued as an employee even though you're just an intern.
This will be our second summer working with the Northeast Indiana Regional Partnership. We do a series of professional development modules and social events throughout the summer so our regional employers can engage with other students and their students can engage with the community of interns around them. We also have case study experiences where we're giving them a stretch assignment to think strategically and really think in an ambiguous, cross-functional way.
The most rewarding part of being a mentor is honestly after the summer, they present in front of the entire company and you can see their face saying, you know, hey, this is what I did. This was the success that I had. This was the impact I had.
I've learned how an organization runs, and I think a lot of that you don't get at school because it's hard to teach that without being in it.